For each of the personas, you then define the channels in which those personas tend to operate. So for example, if you sell services to 60-year-old business execs, we'll call him Gary. You got a persona named Gary and he's 60 years old. And yeah, he knows technology and he uses email. He's got a smartphone. But you really think that you should have content on Twitter, Snapchat, or Instagram for Gary? No, no way. What's nice about knowing your personas is it helps you understand and define your channels. It's easy to figure out what channels to use when you're thinking very empathetically about your personas. So you understand your product, you understand your personas. Now you map out the channels that these personas would be in.